Hello brothers and sisters, we are over here in Brewarrina, Australia, and as we can see there's a lot of radar anomalies going around in a circle, so we just kind of come to the center of it in Brewarrina, and this is in Australia. So I took to Google Earth and I found some really interesting things over there. So Brewarrina, Australia, and here's something that I found to be most amazing. Right there in the center. Do you see that? Look at this. There are two circles. Look at how they've got it blurred out here. But look at this of Michael Tillinger's work. Because this looks like a large circle. But look at these figures. It looks like this is a person. Like this is their head, their arms, and their legs. And it looks like they're holding hands with each other almost. And so, I mean, this could be like a star of some sort, or some kind of a craft. I zoom in real nice and close, we can clearly see that there are 90-degree angles here of some sort, and it's the way this kind of cuts back this way. I can't tell if this one does or not, but it's really neat to see. Like, this is clearly like a being, it looks like, and he's holding, and maybe erosion or something, maybe washed some things away, but I mean, looks like he's holding hands with this being. Look, this one almost has two hands, and here's another one. And this is some kind of a, and this almost being like a disc or a flying saucer or something, and like maybe it was to represent these guys coming out. I mean, I don't know. How much closer does it get? Ooh, holy cow, we get really close, can't we? I mean, this is incredible. That's clearly a being of some sort. How much closer will this thing let me get? Whoa. Well, it doesn't really help us out. But there was something else that I happened to notice here, folks. And you're not going to believe what I found here in Australia. Right here by these circles. Superman symbol again. What? Come on. Why am I seeing Superman symbols everywhere, folks? I don't know. But there's some crazy stuff going on this planet. Superman symbols everywhere, stone circles, star forts. This all comes together somehow. We just got to figure it out. Let's see what else we can find going on here in Australia. Now the next area I'm seeing some weird, funny little anomalies is right over here near Hillston in Australia. See how it kind of goes? It's kind of, this area here is pretty clear, then it just kind of goes around. So it looks like the center of it would be right here in Hillston. So let's go to Google Earth. Well, let me hit pause on this real quick. We will go to Google Earth and look at all of these. I know that they are crop circles, but they're fields that they have for crops. But look at all of this of them, and when you zoom, they look pretty peculiar, isn't it? Like what I show you guys on Enlil. Doesn't it kind of look like that? And guess what else I found? Another Superman symbol. Come on, man. But this is literally right here by these circles I was just showing you. Like, how many coincidences until it's mathematically impossible, folks? Oh, man. Let's go see what else we can find. And since Canberra is the capital of Australia, I figured, what the heck? Let's go check out Canberra. And look at this. Zooming right in it. Bam. Star. Right smack in the middle of Canberra. A star. Inside of a circle. Inside of a hectagon. Surrounded by another partial hectagon. Look at all these concentric circles. Look, there's 3 hectagons right over here. This looks like a triangle. No. That can't possibly be, could it? Is that Superman again? Let's zoom in. Okay, it's not. Woo, I was about to trip out. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, wait a minute. I did see a star, though. There's a star right here. Actually, that almost looks like a spacecraft, doesn't it? Like a spaceship. But you can see the points on it, so it's I would just classify that as a star and call it Christmas. Oh look, another hectagon. Jeez Louise. This is getting nutty. So let's go ahead and cross the lake over here, and what else do we find? Oh, more stars. Look at that. Let's keep going. Oh, look at this over here. That's really crazy looking. The pattern of it. That actually on a plate that makes that has frequencies it plays. I've seen that pattern before. That is very peculiar. Why would you have that there? Oh, looks like the point of another star. Uh-oh. Look at that. So we were up here looking at this large structure going on here and the circles that are going on. You can see the outer circle here. You can see another circle and then another circle on top of it. Well, look at here. You got this large stinking circle. Oh, there's another circle here and circles going here. And here's another circle. There's 2 rows of it. Circles and circles. And then there's another circle here. And then what's in the middle of it? Let's go find out. Oh, look. A circle. But it also looks like there was a bush here to show 6 sides. And oh, wait a minute. What is this here? Let's zoom in on that. Oh, look. A star. 4-pointed star. And oh, look, and even the building. Another star. Boy, there are star shapes everywhere at the Canberra at the Australian Defence. That's right, Department of Defence for Australia. Look at this. There's a star on the roof here. This looks like a big star. What in the... Look, here's a triangle right here. Very nice. And one of the other things I noticed is... Oh, look. Uh-oh. No. Are you kidding me? What is it with them and the Superman symbols? They're seriously killing me, folks. But here behind it, you notice this nice rounded like field here? Almost looks like a moon with craters all over it, doesn't it? That's interesting. Why would they have that? And let me show you something else that I noticed. Oh, look. Nice little roundabout. Across the Australian War Memorial. Here's a star here with a little square, and it looks like there's maybe a water fountain there. You know, like an obelisk. And look at this. A cross. Well, how quaint is that? This looks like the Freemason symbol, doesn't it? Like the compass? Kinda does. Let's zoom in on this bad boy a little bit. What's on the top of that? Oh, round. Haven't we seen that before, guys? Yep. Oh, look at the edges. They stick out like a star. That's interesting. Wait a minute. What does this look like from the top? Doesn't that kind of look like a Death Star? I mean... Yeah... Very possible. I don't know. That's just me, though. That's just me being goofy. This is Canberra Tracks on Black Mountain. This is a high peak, and look at what's here. Square. Looks like could be some kind of a star. Oh, look, a Death Star. Another one here. But when you actually kind of come away from it, oh look, it's an antenna with many of them on there. You guys see that? Look at all those different squares on there. Do you think it's... And actually, if you line it up right, it almost looks like a bullseye. Like maybe it's sending information to the stars. Who knows? Kind of interesting. It's on a high point. Right here near Canberra. I don't know. You guys tell me. Or Canberra, excuse me. I apologize for that. But yeah, there's all kinds of interesting things. Let's go see if we can find something else. I'd like everybody to notice something. Watch right over here near Norseman. You're going to see these like 4 or 5 like lights all of a sudden just kind of like pop up. And then they just kind of dance around, merge together, disappear, and then they pop up over here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it almost looks like a permanent burn here. Here, here, and here. And then they pop up here, right in this location. Almost like it's planned for them to be here. Watch this. See? Oh, here they come. and they're like dancing. They go from one spot to another, and then all of a sudden, boop, they pop up right here. What's going on? There's all kinds of activity going on down in Australia. I just found that, I don't know if that's linked, if that's a true apparition that I'm seeing, or some kind of a true anomaly. I don't know, but there's something going on there. Almost looks like it's permanently burnt. Like here, like it's planned for it to be here. Watch right here. It just show up. Zoom in here. Watch this. And they're about to pop up right here in this location, where you can see the darker spots. Boop, sure enough. And then we can also see there's something going on right here around Adelaide. Let's go check out Adelaide. And right here, St. Peter's Cathedral. Look at this, a Tartarian building made out of granite or stone. Look at that. Tartarian all day long. Look at this. From above, there's going to be stars all over it. Because that's what it is. Tartarian, Stark. There's a very nice. Another circle. The biggest antenna is going to be right here. Look at that. Star. Let's go over this. Yep. Another star here. Crossing. Very nice. 1, 2, 3. So it'll be part of what would be to be an octagon, actually. Actual octagon. Oh, look, here's another crossing here. Round circle with a dot in the middle of it. Look out, Australia. Here we're looking at Enfield Memorial Park. Look at this. Little circle with inside of a bigger circle, inside of a bigger circle. And look at this. You got a trick. That almost looks like a Superman. I'm not even going to zoom in anymore. It's getting ridiculous. But you can definitely see these patterns are all connecting. That's pretty nutty in my opinion. But not least, we're going to do Melbourne, Australia. And here we are in Marvel Stadium. You can see a point here, point here, point here. And this looks like a little lopsided, but yeah, this is a stadium. So that's interesting. It might resemble stars all over the place. Oh, look, there's triangles here. There's a triangle here. Oh, look, a triangle here. Oh, wait a minute. Pyramid. There is a star. Look at this.